I'm Nutan Kapoor Mahawar. I'm Joint Secretary in the Indian Council of World Affairs. I belong to the Indian Foreign Service. The Indian Council of World Affairs is the oldest foreign policy and international affairs think tank in the country. And we've been working with Macmillan, and Macmillan is a well known name in the publishing industry. We are so excited to partner with them on our book projects. We are so encouraged that they are interested, they are expressing a lot of interest in our work, and they are not only willing to work with us on single author book projects, but also on our conference proceedings. Now, the one that we did on Gandhi and the world, this was on the occasion of the 150th birth anniversary of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And this was done under the guidance of Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, who is the president of this council. The Honorable Vice President's speech, his ideas, his views about Gandhiji's impact on various geographies in the world are also in this book. What did we do in this conference? We looked at what Gandhiji's impact was, say, in Latin America, where a country like Costa Rica tells us that they don't have an army, and that is inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. And what is his impact on Martin Luther King in America, on the civil rights movement? Then what was Gandhiji's impact in South Africa? We have a paper in this book from Europe which talks about 700 years of non-violence being brought to the forefront by Mahatma Gandhiji. We have a paper in this book, another paper from Europe, which says that that Europe needs a leader like Gandhi to unify itself. There is another paper which says to solve all the problems of the Middle East, we need a leader like Gandhi. And then there are papers about Gandhiji's impact on the on Fiji's independence movement. So these are exciting papers, and we are sure that the readers will enjoy them. There are also papers on what are Gandhiji's impact on Martin Luther King, on what was his association with Leo Tolstoy, with there's a paper on drawing parallels between Gandhiji and Swami Vivekanand, and so on.